welcome back. We are going through important concepts of JavaScript that will make you an efficient coder when it comes to the web development area. So in the previous lecture, we learned different types of loops and how you can use them to iterate through a collection of data. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the next two very important types of loops, which are for-in and for-off loop. Often JavaScript programmers, they get confused between for-in and for-off. But you do not have to worry about that. You are at the right place. We will clear all your confusions and all your doubts that you may face. Now first, let us see how a normal loop will work on an array. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, orange. For let I equal to 0. I less than fruits dot length I plus plus. Let result equal to fruits I. Console.log result. Output apple, banana, orange. So in this example, we iterate through the length of the array fruits and stored each item's result in the result variable and displayed it on the console. Another example of for loop to iterate through an object. Let object equal to name, John, course, JavaScript, gender, male. For let I equal to 0, I less than object dot keys, object dot length, I plus plus. Let result equal to object, object dot keys, object I. Console dot log result. Output John, JavaScript, male. We have created an object obj having 3 key value pairs, and then we have iterated through the length of keys of obj and displayed it on the console. But sometimes we want to reduce the lines of code. We want to save some time and increase some readability. So here the concept of the for-in loop takes place. For-in. This is the syntax of for-in loop. For key in object, code block to be executed. Here we have to create an object having key value pair. Then in the loop, we will iterate through each key using the statement for key in object. We will console each item of the object. Let us see an example to iterate over an object using for-in. Object equal to name, John, course, JavaScript, gender, male. For let key in object, console.log object key. Output John, JavaScript, male. See, isn't it less messier than a for loop? This will give us the exact result which the for loop has given us. We just iterated through each key in the obj and displayed it. Remember, always use obj big brackets key. If you use obj dot key, then the result will be undefined. You can use it when you want only one key to be displayed, like obj.name. Now we can use the for-in to loop through all the characters. Let us see an example. Let str equal to I am Ben. For let char in str. Console.log str char. Output I, A, M, B, E, N. As you can see, it displays each character of the string with spaces. For-off. Syntax of for-off loop. For variable of iterable. Code block to be executed. Let us see an example. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, orange. For let name of fruits. Console.log name. Output apple, banana, orange. Initially, we created an array of strings, then created a variable to loop through each element of the array and displayed each element of the array. Difference between for-in and for-off. Now, the first and important difference is the for-off loop is used when you want to iterate keys of an object, and for loop can iterate any iterable variable. Let us see what happens if we use the for-off loop on an array. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, orange. For let name in fruits. Console.log name. Output 0, 1, 2. Yes, we get the index of the elements. That is why we use a for on loop to display actual elements. Well, this is it for today's lecture. A small assignment for you. Use the for of loop on the string and display the output. str is equal to I am Ben. I hope you will not have any confusion between these two types of loops. I really cannot wait to meet you in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye.